Potential plus / difference incorporated. Introduction Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration and Regenx Generator Innovations August 14, 2018 1. Introduction Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration and Regenx Generator Technology. What are the innovations? The innovations are called the Regenx, Regenerative Acceleration Generator. Regenx Generator for Electric Power Generation. Regenerative Acceleration for Electric Vehicles. What do the innovations do? The Regenx generator innovation reverses generator armature reaction and reduces the financial input cost of generating electricity by more than 80%. In electric vehicle applications, the EV regenerative acceleration innovation reverses the electric vehicle regenerative braking paradigm, and the electric vehicle is accelerated while their batteries are recharged rather than being decelerated as with EV regenerative braking. What is generator armature reaction? Generator armature reaction is a counter-electromagnetic torque which is produced inside all electric generators by the magnetic fields that are created around the current-bearing wires that make up the generator coils. The magnitude of the counter-torque produced is directly related to the magnitude of the load current. The counter-torque performs negative work and works against the torque supplied by the prime mover, reducing the net torque in the drive shaft. The prime mover must consume additional input energy in order to increase the torque and mechanical power in the drive shaft to overcome the generator's counter torque, or the generator will stall the prime mover. Over 80% of the cost of generating electricity is due to the input energy cost required to overcome generator armature reaction. Environmentally, over 80% of the greenhouse gases and nuclear waste produced globally are due to generator armature reaction. 3. Introduction Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration and Regenx Generator Technology. Introduction Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration and Regenx Generator Technology. How can generator armature reaction be reversed? The Regenx generator coil operates with a load current delay, and this load current delay reverses generator armature reaction, aka the EV regenerative braking paradigm. The Regenx generator reverses generator armature reaction in electric power generation. U.S. Patent Number 240,111,054 A1, the load current delay can be between 50 and 90 degrees. Effects of reversing generator armature reaction in electric power generation. 1 MW conventional generator and 1 MW Regenx generator. Comparison. Effects of reversing generator armature reaction in electric power generation. Generator type: no load mechanical drive shaft input power, watts, no load system equilibrium speed, RPM, on-load generator output power, watts, on-load mechanical drive shaft input power increase, watts, on-load system equilibrium speed, RPM, on-load total drive shaft. Mechanical input power requirement: conventional generator 05 MW 3500 1 MW 1 MW 3500 greater than 15 MW Regenx generator 05 MW 3500 1 MW 000 W 3500 05 MW conventional generator operation. A 1 MW conventional generator generally requires about a half a MW, 500,000 watts, of mechanical input power to idle on no load. When delivering 1 MW of output power on load, generator armature reaction always causes the mechanical input power requirement to increase by an additional 1 MW for a combined total mechanical input power requirement of more than 1.5 MW, or closer to 2000.000 watts of mechanical input power when system losses are accounted, to deliver 1 million watts of electrical output power. 2 mechanical input watts in for every 1 electrical watt out. Regenx generator operation. A 1 MW Regenx generator also requires a half a MW to idle on no load. When placed on load, the mechanical input power required to be supplied to the Regenx generator is always less than what was required at idle on no load, because the Regenx generator reverses generator armature reaction, or closer to 400,000 watts of mechanical input power when system losses are accounted, to deliver 1 million W of electrical output power. 0.4 mechanical input watts in for every 1 electrical watt out. Conventional generator operation with generator armature reaction. 1. A 1 MW conventional generator generally requires about a half a MW, 500,000 watts, of mechanical input power to idle on no load. 2. When placed on load and when delivering 1 MW of output power, generator armature reaction always necessitates that the mechanical input power in the drive shaft to the generator delivered by the prime mover be increased by an additional 1 MW. 3. A combined total mechanical input power requirement of more than 1.5 MW, or closer to 2000.000 watts of mechanical input power when system losses are accounted, are required to deliver 1 MW of electrical output power. 4. 2 mechanical input watts in for every 1 electrical watt out in conventional generators. Rejunct generator operation with generator armature reaction reversal. 1. A 1 MW rejunct generator also requires a half a MW to idle on no load. 2. When placed on load and when delivering 1 MW of output power, the rejunct generator does not require that the mechanical input power in the drive shaft to the generator be increased. In fact, the mechanical drive shaft power requirement from the prime mover is reduced to below the level which was required at idle on no load because generator armature reaction is reversed. 3. When placed on load, the mechanical input power required to be supplied to the rejunct generator is always less than what was required at idle on no load because the rejunct generator reverses generator armature reaction, or closer to 400,000 watts of mechanical input power when system losses are accounted, to deliver 1 MW of electrical output power. 4. 0.4 mechanical input watts in for every 1 electrical watt out. Effects of reversing generator armature reaction in electric power generation. Why is this innovation important? Every generative acceleration increases the range of the EV significantly and decreases plug-in recharging requirements because it allows the EV's batteries to be continuously recharged in all driving modes, during vehicle acceleration, coasting and during deceleration. In electric power generation, reversing generator armature reaction reduces the input costs by more than 80% while also reducing the pollution produced by more than 80% as well. The physical size of the prime mover required in electric power generation can be reduced by more than 80%. Wind turbines can be more than 80% smaller in size and height while producing the same output power as conventionally sized turbines. Effects of reversing generator armature reaction in electric power generation. 7. Rejunct generator technology. Prime mover size comparison. 80% prime mover size reduction. Commercialization. Next step / manufacturing, sales, IP licensing. Advanced Chemical Technologies, ACT, has approached Potential Difference Incorporated, PD, and has requested 30 MW rejunct generators for their new methanol plant in Sudbury which goes online in 2021. ACT wants to use some of its methanol produced to generate electricity to mitigate its electricity consumption costs. PD and ACT have an MOU under development which provides ACT with global exclusivity on the development of a new electricity generating platform for the entire global methanol industry using rejunct generators. ACT has also requested the scale-up of rejunct generators to 800 MW by 2030. In order for ACT to generate 400 MW of electricity using conventional generator technology, 227,000 tons of methanol would be required or 23% of their yearly 1 million tons of production. Using rejunct generator technology, only 60,000 tons of methanol would be required to generate 400 MW or 6% of their yearly production. Rejunct generator commercialization. Next step / manufacturing, sales, IP licensing. Rejunct generator power generation in methanol plant. Estimated generator development cost and financing plan. Current market purchase price for a 800 MW generator is about $275 million. Scale up and development of rejunct generators to 800 MW by 2030 is estimated to be $1 billion. Scale up financing includes the incremental development and sales of rejunct generators from 1 kW, 3 kW, 5 kW, 10 kW and so on in every conceivable size and variation possible over the next decade. ACT, PD and GAL Power Systems intend to develop a 5 kW methanol-powered Regenx generator prototype as a demonstration unit for the methanol industry, which will allow for electricity generation with more than 80% less input methanol, and to use this new power generation benchmark to generate revenue through pre-orders. California Diesel and Power, CD&P, are currently requesting 50 HP diesel gensets for use in AT&T cell phone towers in California. PD and CD&P provided AT&T with a Regenx generator demonstration in 2008. Regenx generator commercialization business plan, sales and revenue generation. PD has provided Siemens with a live Regenx generator technology demonstration on July 6, 2018. Third-party independently validated report prepared for Siemens by PD, https://www.slideshare.net/pdcathena-heinz3240/final, 2018, report, 4, Siemens, Regenx, Regenx generator commercialization business plan, sales and revenue generation. https://www.slideshare.net/pdcathena-heinz3240/SDTC potential difference in Siemens, Regenx generator commercialization business plan, sales and revenue generation. Semdrusov Siemens Electric Machines in Czechoslovakia and Siemens AG Process Industries and Drives, Wind, Division Large Drives in Germany are currently evaluating the scale-up opportunity to 50 MW under a services contract agreement. GE and Westinghouse have also been invited to bid on the Regenx generator 100 kW 30 MW 800 MW development. PD intends to initiate Regenx generator manufacturing in the first quarter of 2019 and to produce and retail gensets up to 100 kW in collaboration with GAL Power Systems. PD has applied to Sustainable Development Technologies Canada for funding assistance. PD has commercially manufactured components and suppliers standing by who are ready to deliver the required generator rotors and Regenx generator coils. PD's coil supplier, Toroid Technologies, and rotor supplier, Electron Energy Corporation, have been participating directly in Regenx generator development since 2008. Regenx generator commercialization business plan, sales and revenue generation. Petróleos de Venezuela PDVSA, Venezuela Petroleum http://www.pdvsa.com/index.php?lang=sign right has requested a manufacturing and distribution license for Venezuela and assistance with establishing a manufacturing facility in Venezuela. PD has offered exclusive IP licensing for Venezuela with first right of refusal for South America and assistance with establishing a manufacturing facility in Venezuela. Regenx generator commercialization next steps / manufacturing, sales, IP licensing 15. Business next steps: obtain legal representation, initial meeting and technology introduction already provided to Gowling, Rain Corporate. PD secure required investments, obtain international IP licensing, lawyer incorporate PD LLP, Karma Investors, negotiate licensing deal with Venezuela Petroleum. Negotiate scale-up deal with Advanced Chemical Technologies. Negotiate services contract with Siemens, GE or Westinghouse. Obtain purchase orders from end users. Initiate manufacturing / assembly facility. Initiate generator sales for wind turbines and standby gensets. 16. Regenx generator commercialization next steps / manufacturing, sales, IP licensing. Raquel Hamrikai, Vice President International Business Development, Potential Plus / Difference Incorporated. Email, raquel@potentialdifference.ca. Mobile, 613-859-8688. Potential Plus / Difference Incorporated. Electric Vehicle Regenerative Acceleration Technology. Charging ahead.